Okay, I'm back with another problem now, another type fish tank type problem. These are all great to view and watch for the test to practice. This one says a fish tank, it's a rectangular prism with a base dimension of 40 by 85 and a height of 24 centimeters, is 96% filled with water. This time we're dropping in 8,413 marbles. They each have a radius of 0.55 centimeters, and they're all dropped in the tank. Nice and gentle, of course, not splashing in. How much water spills over the sides of the tank? Well, we can see that the tank is 96% filled, which means we take out 4%. So we're essentially, it's really almost full, but not completely full. So based on that, we can start with the process of probably figuring out what the tank would be. So let's do some dimensions here. Oops, sorry, forgot to turn on the pen. And that gives us 85. Let's see right here. We get 85 centimeters on the bottom. We get 24 centimeters here, 40 over here. So let's figure out what the volume of that would be. If we multiply those together, the volume would be the base area times the height. So we'd really just take 24 times 85 times 40. And that gives us a volume of 81,600 centimeters cubed. Now from there, we're going to take that and get 96% of that. So I want to fill it up, just leave that 4% off. So I'm going to take it times 0.96. That's going to give me then a volume of 78,000. And again, just use your calculator, pause if you have to. 336 centimeters cubed. Now after that, it seems like I know that how much the water's in there now. So I've got some, it's pretty close to it. It's like really close to the top here. You know, kind of like this. It's got the water. And then based on that, we're going to then go from there and now add the marbles. So I've got a whole bunch of marbles, and I want to make sure that I get all them in here. So I'm going to take the 8,413 first. I know some students in class found one marble and rounded it to their 10th, and then I think they were even like 100th, and then they multiplied it by that number. That's going to result in a slightly different answer probably than using the whole amount at once. So it's not a big deal, and I'll look at your work, of course, in the test, and that's fine, but try to keep it as accurate as possible. And our formula for the spheres, of course, is 4/3 pi times the radius cubed. Again, a common mistake there. Watch that cubed radius. So all the marbles equals 5,860.13. And that's also in centimeters cubed. Nice, it's all the same unit here. So my thought would be, if I have to add the marbles in, I'm going to put all these marbles in there, right? They're going to fill it up and all on the bottom. They're going to make the water rise up. It's going to come out and over the edge. I really want to figure out what, if I take the total amount, I can take the total amount that the tank can hold. So I'm going to take the total amount the tank can hold. And then I'm going to take away the difference from this amount here and the marbles. So I'm going to subtract from that the amount that's the sum of the two. Take away. So it's going to be 78,000 is the 96% full. And then add now the marbles. 5,860.13. That then gives me a total of 2,596. So 2,596.13. Now, of course, it's negative, but it doesn't really matter. That's basically negative means how much doesn't fit in there is what it is. So based on that, now I can see that's not negative, so how much spilled out. And then I want to take that and divide that by 1,000 because I want to convert that to liters because it wants the answer in liters round to the nearest tenth. So dividing by 1,000, of course, is the same as moving over 3 times. So you get approximately 2.6 liters that spills out. As we talked about in class, there's many ways to do this. This is just one way to do it. You guys had all kinds of great ideas. So let me know if you have any other questions about this one or if you have something you want to ask. Thanks so much for watching.